Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the office setup. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. 8-point safety protection system, combines 1050 joules surge protection, 1382 degrees Fahrenheit fire retarding, 1250 W overload. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Mountable power strip outlet extender, 2 mounting holes on the back enable this white extension cord for secure. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.